Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into fairly. 7 adverbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Rather. Which means to a certain or significant extent or degree. Rather. For example, it all sounds rather complicated. Number 2. Passably. Which means in a way that is just good enough. Passably. For example, a passably good dinner. Number 3. Pretty. Which means fairly. Pretty. For example, he looked pretty fit for his age. Number 4. Somewhat. Which means rather. Somewhat. For example, a somewhat thicker book. Number 5. Moderately. Which means fairly. Moderately. For example, a moderately successful small farmer. Number 6. Relatively. Which means quite. Relatively. For example, the site was cheap and relatively clean. Number 7. Quite. Which means fairly. Quite. For example, it was quite common in the last century. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. It is now the time to hit the subscribe button.